United Basketball League is back. And this is our 5th game for today. Now this is under LSGH LaSalle Green Hills against Letran, 19 under division. At muli natin pasalamatan yung ating mga sponsors. Walang iba ang ating official vitamin provider, Procel Pharma Incorporated, Selvon CSR, Activo Gold Vitamins and Minerals. Ganun din yung ating official basketball Spalding TF1000 Legacy, made for the game, anytime, anywhere. Ganun din VLF Wood Veneers, and to Flores family for the continuous support to United Basketball. At ito nga, unang nakapuntos, Team Letran. 2-0 ang ating score in favor of Letran. At muli, pasalamatan din natin yung ating mga taga-subaybay, yung ating mga manonood dito sa ating live stream, and we apologize if medyo naglalag. But rest assured na ito ay recorded at ipopost po sa YouTube channel ng United Basketball League, yung mga replays po ng mga laro. Padilla to number 16, and he managed to get that 3-point shot by Quijada. That's the first 3-point shot by Team Letran. Follow up by number 14, wala. Rebound by number 13, and that is Manalili, or no, that is Pagalilawan, pero wala. Pero nakakuha naman ng foul doon si Pagalilawan, and he is shooting for 2. First shot, basket. Second shot, basket pa rin. That's 2 out of 2 for Pagalilawan. And here comes Padilla. Basket by Padilla. And yes, Daniel Padilla yung nakapuntos natin. Podador. Block by Padilla. Muntik ng ma-steal ni number 18 of LaSalle. That's Hachuela, pero na out of bounds. Or that's Moyuela rather. And there's a foul called by the rep to number 18, Moyuela. That's first. Blocked by Valdez. Ison, wala. Muyuela, basket. Foul number 18, Rams Muyuela, second foul. And there's a foul called by our ref to Muyuela. Medyo mainit ito si Muyuela, saka yung isa kanina, number 16, ano? Si Quijada. At ito nga, nilabas muna si Quijada, or nagpalit muna ng buong players itong Letran. Oras natin 6 minutes 36 seconds remaining time. No look pass, ang ganda nun, pero nilabas muna kay number 91, pero wala yung tira ni Baliling. And here comes the second opportunity. Wala pa rin. Three-point shot by Pagaliliwan, wala. Baliling to Silorio, basket. All At yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, medyo mainit itong si Muyuela, no? Nakakuha ulit ng foul sa kanya yung team ng Letran. And I believe that is his third personal foul agad itong early part of the game. Unsportsmanlike foul to Muyuela. 3 minutes cool off muna siya, no? I'm not sure bakit kailangan ng medyo agresibong paglalaro at this early pace of the game, no? Nasa first quarter pa lamang tayo at hindi naman pa ganoon kalalim yung lamang ng mga kalaban, no, ng magkabilang panig. So I'm not sure na bakit very aggressive. But anyway, let's go ahead and continue. 2 shots para kay Manalili, basket parehas, bringing the team score to 11 and against 6 ng Lasal. At syempre, dahil dyan sa unsportsmanlike foul na yan, ang technical called by the referee, bola pa rin ng Letran. At mintis yung tira ni Manalili at the free throw line. Rebound ngayon ni number 14. And that is Podador. Podador to Gomez. Gomez to Ison. 10 seconds to shoot. And it's Ison with that crossover move. And an attack there, pero wala. And now it's Manalili. 291, and that is Baliling. Back to Manalili, to Gazingan for 3. Wala. And that's Valdez for the rebound. Less than 5 minutes na yung ating oras dito sa first quarter. Pagaliluan. To Ison. Ison. Basket by Ison. Manalili, wala. Basket by Ison. Back-to-back points para kay Ison. At pinababa niya yung lamang nakalaban dito sa isa, 11-10. Lamang pa rin ang Letran. 4:20 yung ating natitirang oras. Diamante gets that shot. Parang nagkaroon ng miscommunication there, pero na-manage pa rin may pasok ni Diamante. Ison. 10 seconds to shoot. Manalili. Nice pass to number 77, Gazingan. Ito yung mga pasahan na hindi mo mamamalayan. Ito, Letran. And a pushing foul called by the ref to number 22, Valdez. First personal foul ni Valdez at 4th foul na ito ng Lasal. Gazingan to number 13, Manalili. Fires at 3, number 91, Baliling, wala. Gomez. Nice layup there by number 0, and that is Nonoy. At ito, may mainit na naman na mangyayari against Podador and one of the players ng Letran. All players are being instructed na magpunta muna sa kanilang mga respective benches. Technical foul to Podador ang itinawag.
All players, please proceed to the center court. All players. The Salvadorians and the Tran, please proceed to the center court. All players.
All players are being called out by the committees, na magpunta na muna dito sa gitna ng court to clarify things kasi parang medyo mainit nga yung labanan at hindi ko nga maintindihan kasi this is just the first quarter, wala pa naman ganong mga hinahabol na puntos, dikit ang laban pero I'm not sure bakit may mga intentional na parang matinding bakbakan. ayan. Ginakausap muna sila ng ating committees and officials. At while waiting, ayan, shoutout sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Kagawad, Cyrus, Anthony Celorio. Go Letran, sabi ni Kenny Ayonayon. And because of that technical na itinawag sa team ng Lasal, free throw has been given to Gazingan pero mintis yung kanyang tira at magbabalik ang bola para sa team ng Letran. 2 minutes and 41 seconds remaining time. 15-12 ang ating score in favor of Letran. Manalili to Gazingan. Gazingan for that long 3-point shot and that's a basket by Gazingan. Ang layo nun Nonoy. Foul number 25. That's Celorio. That's the first personal foul of Celorio. Third team foul of Team Letran. 2 shots for Nonoy. And yung kaninang 3-point shot ni Gazingan, that's the second 3-ball by Letran. Go Letran, sabi ni Art Sanchuti. Ganun din, sabi ni Alia Venice Quinones. Go Letran. Go Letran. Lex Gazingan Arriba. Imong Makapia. Ayan. Mas maraming fans yung Letran sa mga nanonood dito sa ating live stream. Diamante, nakadagdag ng puntos para sa Letran at balik ang bola ngayon dito sa Lasal and it's Izon. 10 seconds to shoot. Ang ganda sana. Pero mukhang malapit na ma-steal kanina Ma-steal na nga ng tuluyan. Kung natuloy yun, ang ganda ng pasa ni Izon doon sa kanyang kakampi doon sa looban. And now it is Celorio at the free throw line shooting for 2. First shot, Mintis. Wala rin yung ikalawa. Pero kanila pa rin ang opportunity dito. Manalili. Wala. Izon with that easy layup and a basket for Letran. Look at that pass, yung mga pasahan ng Letran, Yung sinasabi ko kanina na mga pasa coming from nowhere. At eto nga, 2 shots para kay Diamante. And that's 2 out of 2 for Diamante. Substitution, balik si Quinones. Out muna si Diamante. Ang score natin, 22-14 in favor of Letran. Quines. Wala, pero may foul na nakuha kay number 88, and that is
Foul number 88.
Antaso. 2 shots for Quines. First shot, basket. At happy birthday yan sa mama ni Lex Gazingan, sabi ni Imong Makapia. Ayan, happy birthday po. At successful naman yung naging free throw. And that's a traveling violation according to the ref kay Quines at bola ulit ng Lasal. And we only have 48.1 seconds time remaining. 6 ang kalamangan ng Letran, 22-16. And it's Quines against Antaso. Quines to Gomez. Gomez fires at 3. Wala. Bola pa rin ng Lasal. 10 seconds to shoot. Gomez to number 65. Quines. Oh, short. At nakuha pa rin ulit ng Lasal. Quines with a turnaround shot. A basket and a foul. And he will be completing his 3-point shot at or 3-point play at the free throw line. And that brings the lead down to 4, 22-18, and we only have 15.6 seconds. At wala yung kanyang bonus shot doon. And now here comes De La Rama. De La Rama against Ison. But it's an offensive foul, sabi nila. And that's the second foul of De La Rama. 8.2 seconds remaining time at tumawag ng timeout ang Letran. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League. Back to the ball game after the timeout, and again, this is just the first quarter. 8.2 seconds remaining time. Ball possession ng Lasal. Ison to number 26 at sayang, libreng-libre sana si Noni sa ilalim pero nice steal. And that's the end of the first quarter. Sayang yung tira ni De La Rama pero tapos na yung oras. Okay, magbabalik po ang United Basketball League.
Letran 22, De La Salle 18.
And United Basketball League is back to the ball game. Start ng ating second quarter. At muli nga nating pasalamatan yung ating mga sponsors. Walang iba, our official vitamin provider, Procel Pharma Incorporated, Selvon CSR, gananda ng Activo Gold vitamins and minerals. So as our official basketball Spalding TF 1000 legacy, Spalding made for the game anytime, anywhere. Ganun din ang VLF Wood Veneers and to Flores family sa kanilang continuous support. Ison, wala. At yan, jump ball ang tinawag ng ating referee pero ball possession ng Lasal. 14 seconds to shoot. And it's Gomez to Nonoy. 10 seconds to shoot. Nonoy drives rin, nabitawan yung bola. And now it's a chance for Letran, number 11, basket. And that's Padilla. At medyo matindi ngayon yung depensa ng Letran. At ayan, naka-steal nga agad. A back-to-back point by Padilla. Ganda naman ang tira na yun. And a foul called by the referee to number 16. That's Quijada. That's the second personal foul of Quijada. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. 26-18 yung ating score. And that's a backcourt violation.
Ball returned to the backcourt violation.
Fouled by the ref. At bola po ulit ng Letran.
Offensive foul, number 6.
Offensive foul called by the ref to number 6 Reyes. That's the first personal foul by Reyes. Second team foul. At bola ulit ng Letran. Talagang mainit yung laban na ito, no? Sa depensa pa lang ay mararamdaman mo na. Here comes Ison to Quines. Quines with that long two, wala. Second opportunity para sa Lasal, wala pa rin. And now it's steal by number 65 and that's Quines. And here we go, basket by Quines.
Foul number 27, Justin Hugo. That's his first 30 foul on the night.
At kay Hugo nga nakakuha ng foul itong si Quines, ano, and he is now completing his 3-point play. And he makes it. 26-21 in favor of Letran, and there's a foul called by the ref. Balik ang bola pa rin sa Letran. 6 minutes 38 seconds remaining time, and now it's Quijada. Pass to Padilla, basket by Padilla, and that's a back-to-back points para kay Padilla. Quines against Padilla. Pass to Nonoy. Naghanap na si mapapasahan. Nonoy to Gomez. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 second shot clock. Gomez for 3. Bam! Out of bounds at last touch by number 1, and that is Alforque. Balik ang bola dito sa Lasal Green Hills. 5 seconds 41 or 5 minutes 41 seconds na lamang natitirang oras at 4 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Letran. And here comes number 65, that's Kines against Manalili. Kines, dinerecho na, and again, that's an end one play by Kines. Kines is on fire. Bonus shot once again for Kines. At dalawa na nga lang ang lamang ng Letran dito. 5 minutes 21 seconds na lang natitirang oras dito sa ating second quarter. At wala ulit yung kanyang or kanina na kompleto niya yung kanyang 3-point play, pero this time di pumasok yung kanyang bonus shot, ano? And it's Gasingan to number 13, pass to Baliling, and ito na naman yung mga ball rotation nila, still by Kines to Nonoy with that easy layup and a basket by Nonoy, and now it's deadlock at 28. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. 21 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Same ball according to the rep. Substitution. Kines out. At balik sa loob si Muyuela. Diamante. Jump shot. Basket. Diamante. And now it's Nonoy. And a pushing foul called by the ref to number 91. And that's Baliling. At penalty na nga ang Letran dito sa ating second quarter. 2 shots para kay Nonoy. Let's go Adrian Vincent Quinones, sabi ni Alia Quinones, at shout out po kay Manalili from James Coca. At ayan, mintis yung tira ni basket ni Nonoy. Baliling for 3. 33-29 in favor of Letran. That's a 4-point lead. 3 minutes and 45 seconds na titirang oras. It's Nonoy. Tumuyuela. Sumubok din ng 3. Wala. Balik ang bola sa Letran. Gasingan. Airball. Wala rin. 33-29 pa rin yung ating score dito with 3 minutes and 25 seconds, and it's Nonoy. Wala, pero basket pa rin. Medyo short lang yung kanyang unang attempt, ano, at siya pa rin yung nakakuha ng rebound nun. And the second attempt is basket according to the referee. Manalili to Gasingan. Gasingan to Manalili. Manalili to Baliling for 3. Wala. Pero kanila pa rin ang second opportunity rito. Manalili. Basket. And it brings again the score up to 35 with a 4-point lead against 31 of Lasal. And warning ulit ang itinawag dito kay Muyuela for faking a foul. At balik ang bola dito sa Letran. Gasingan to Manalili. Malili. Nice pass to Diamante sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Second attempt. Third attempt by Diamante. Basket. Muyuela to number 4 Natividad. 3-point attempt by Podador. Wala. Pero kanila pa rin. Another 3-point attempt by number 12 naman. Wala pa rin yung tira ni Romero. And we have a minute and 42 seconds remaining time. 37-31. 6 man lamang. Ito na nga yung sinasabi na naman natin ng mga pasahan. Ang ganda ng ball rotation talaga ng Letran. And a foul called by the ref. Or no, it's a 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds violation ang tinawag ng ating laban. That's a good call anyway. Bago yung pagsundot ng bola. And it's Romero. To number 18, Muyuela. Muyuela. To number 12, wala. At balik ang bola sa Letran and it's Manalili. Pass to Celorio. Basket. By Celorio. And that's nabasa ko kanina. It's Kagawad Cyrex Celorio. Ano? Not sure kung Kagawad siya na nakaupo ngayon or maybe an aspirant in this coming barangay election. Muyuela attempts for a 3-point shot and a basket by Muyuela. Kaya yan, Letran according to AJ Jij. Yan. AJ Ijij yun. At sinagot naman agad ni Manalili ang 3 points na yun, yung Muyuela, no? And that's a 3-point shot din by Manalili. 10 seconds time remaining sa ating second quarter. 42-34 score natin. Wala. 5 seconds. And that's a kickball violation. Balik ang bola sa Lasal. Tumawag ng timeout yung Lasal. Oras natin 1.9 seconds time remaining. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League. And back to the ball game after that timeout. Again, a second point 9 yung ating natitirang oras. 8-point lead by Letran, 42-34.
1.9 seconds.
1.9 seconds. And that's the end of the second quarter. Again, ang ating final score dito, 42-34 in favor of Letran. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League. Welcome back to the ball game. United Basketball League is back at simula na ng ating second half. And again, this is the fifth game for today between LaSalle Green Hills and Letran, 19 under division. And again, we would like to thank our sponsors, none other than our official vitamin provider, ProCell Pharma Incorporated, Cellphone CSR, ganun din Activo Gold Vitamins and Minerals, our official basketball Spalding TF1000 Legacy, Spalding made for the game anytime, anyway. PLF Wood Veneers and Flores Family for the continuous support to United Basketball League. Manalili for that long three, wala. Rebound by 14, and that's Podador, pass to Eason, and now it's Eason to number 13, Pagaliluan to Podador. That step back at the 3-point line, wala. Rebound by Moyuela. Sumubok din ng tres, wala pa rin. And a foul called by the rep.
Foul number 22, that's his third.
To number 22, and that is Valdez. And that's the second team foul of LaSalle. Goles to Manalili. To number 24. May foul na nakuha si Diamante kay Valdez, and again, that's the fourth personal foul of Valdez and the third team foul of LaSalle in this early stage of the game and on the third quarter. He misses that shot, first shot. Mintis. Second shot. Wala pa rin. And that's 0 out of 2. 0 out of 2. For Diamante, and there's a foul called by the rep number 91, and that's Baliling. Second personal foul and the first team foul of Letran. 16 seconds shot clock. Eason drives it in, wala, pero may foul na nakuha.
Number 6.
To number 6, and that's Basti Reyes. That's a second personal foul of Basti, the second team foul of Letran. Eason, first shot, wala. Second shot by Eason, he did it, he makes that shot. Balik ang bola sa Letran, and it's Manalili to number 91, Baliling, basket on the side. That's a long two. That's a long two for Baliling. 10-point lead by Letran, 45-35 with 7 minutes and 8 seconds time remaining. And now it's Moyuela on the side as well, but now it's a 3-point shot by Moyuela. Manalili to Goles. Goles to Manalili. Manalili to number 6. And that's Reyes. Nice footwork there by number 19. Goles, pero wala. Kanila pa rin. And it's a traveling violation by the referee. Six minutes, 20 seconds remaining time. Substitution. Baliling out, Gazingan in. Pasok. Ball possession, LaSalle. And here comes Eason with that turnaround. And nakakuha ng foul naman si Eason doon, ano? To number 19, to Goles. And 2 shots again here for Eason. First shot, basket. Second shot. That's 2 out of 2 for Ison. 100% at that free throw line. And here comes Manalili to Goles. Goles to Gazingan, short. And here comes Ison once again. Pass to Podador with a beautiful layup and a basket. 5:47 our time remaining. At dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Letran. Diamante. That finger roll shot. And now it's back to 4. 46-42. Ison looking for a play. Steal by Manalili. Here comes Manalili. Basket. At may pusa pa na naligaw. Ayun. Ang ganda ng pagkakakat ni
literal na cut.
literal na cut. Alright, and it's Podador to Ison, and a traveling violation called by the ref. 48-42 in favor of Letran. Sila pa rin ang lumalamang simula kanina, no? I haven't seen nalamang yung Lasal. Wala pang kalamangan na nakita ko yung Lasal dito, no? So balik ang bola to Letran. And now it's Quijada to Goles. Goles to Gazingan. Gazingan for 3. It's an air ball, too strong. Podador to Quijada. Or no, Podador being challenged by Quijada. Nonoy to Muyuela. Muyuela to Goles. 10 seconds to shoot. And there is a foul called by the ref to Goles, and that's the second foul and the 14th foul of Letran. Nonoy to Ison. Ison. Wala. And a foul. Foul called by the ref to number 26. Ison. First personal foul ni Hison at pang-apat na ito nung Lasal din. Both teams are on this warning to penalty situation. Gazingan against Nonoy. To number 6, Reyes. Wala. Pero nandun si Hugo for a follow-up and a basket by Justin Hugo. At Nonoy, dire-diretso, maluwag ang gitna. Maagang nakasagot ng basket itong si Nonoy, ano? He didn't waste any time at dire-diretso na sa gitna nung nakita yung kaluwagan doon. 3 minutes, natitirang oras, 6 pa rin ang lamang ng Letran at ball possession nila. Quijada to number 23, and that's De La Rama to Goles against Podador. 10 seconds to shoot. Goles drives it in, nabitawan ng bola, and now it's Gomez to Quines against Gazingan, pero may foul, holding foul called by the ref to Gazingan. And we have 2.5 minutes time remaining dito sa ating third quarter. 6 pa rin ang lamang ng Letran. At penalty na nga. Both teams are on penalty. And 2 shots for Quines. First shot, basket. Second shot, basket pa rin para kay Quines. 2 out of 2. At the steal by Podador. And an early score. Napakabilis ng mangyayari na yon, ano? At dahil doon, dalawa na lang yung lamang ng Letran. At sumubok ng tres, Gazingan, wala. Rebound by Quines. To Gomez. To Podador for 3. Wala. Goles with that easy layup and a basket. And a pushing foul called by the ref to number 23. That's De La Rama. A minute and 49 seconds remaining time. 2 shots here para kay Nonoy. At both teams nga are on penalty na. At 4 ulit ang lamang dito ng Letran. First shot ni Nonoy, wala. Second shot, wala pa rin. And it's Quijada against Gomez. Pass to Goles. To Hugo. 10 seconds to shoot. Hugo, wala. Pero may nakitang foul ang ating referee. Number 0, that's Nonoy. And Hugo will be sent to the free throw line to shoot for his bonus shot. Hugo, first shot, basket. And here comes Nonoy with that drive and a basket by Nonoy. A minute and 13 seconds time remaining. 53-33 point lead by Letran. Almost a steal. Nice pass to number 27 Hugo, pero wala. Less than a minute now in this third quarter. 53-50 pa rin ang ating score. Nonoy once again. Short. Hugo to Gazingan. Gazingan, a jump shot, basket. Quines. And there's a foul called by the ref to Goles. At penalty na po tayo. At ayan, Quines will be shooting for 2. 55-50 na yung ating score. 5 ulit ang lamang dito ng Letran. First shot by Quines, wala. Second shot, wala pa rin. De La Rama for the rebound. At nabitawan, a turnover here for Letran. And we have less than 30 seconds. Time remaining, 9 seconds to shoot. At wala. Yung layup ni Gomez. 20 seconds. Again, a turnover for Letran. 2-on-1 situation and a basket by Gomez. And now it's 55-52. 5 seconds, time remaining. Basket by number 23, De La Rama. And that's the end of the third quarter, 57-52. 5-point lead by Letran. Talagang lumalaban pa rin.
57, Lasal.
Pero pilit na hinahabol ng Lasal. So we will be right back. Last and final quarter na sa aming pagbabalik. Back to the ball game. United Basketball League is back. Last and final quarter na. Again, 5th game for today between LaSalle Green Hills and Letran, 19 under division. And again, we would like to thank our sponsors, ProCell Pharma Incorporated, our official vitamin provider, Cellbone CSR, Tivo Gold Vitamins and Minerals, official basketball Spalding TF 1000 Legacy, Spalding made for the game anytime, anywhere. BLF Wood Veneers and Flores Family for the continuous support sa United Basketball League. At ayan, magang foul ang nangyari dito sa pagsisimula ng ating 4th quarter. At bonus shot nga agad ito para kay Kines. First shot ni Kines, basket. So was the second one, and that's 100% at the free throw line. 2 out of 2 for Kines. Tatlo lang ang lamang dito ng Letran at matinding nga yung depensa na pinapakita ngayon ng Lasal. And here comes Padilla with that basket. Very aggressive itong Lasal, as we can see. Talagang tutok na tutok sila sa depensa, and at the same time sa mabilis na opensa, converted into points dapat. And that's Eason on the side. 3-point shot by Eason, bringing the lead of the opponent down to 2. It's 59-57. Delarama sumagot din agad ng puntos si Delarama, as well as the other members of Letran, ang lakas ng pasa, and that brings the ball out of bounds. Balik ang bola sa Letran. Padilla to Delarama, now to Quijada. Quijada to Padilla. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice pass to Delarama and a basket. So was a foul. It's an end-one play by Delarama, and he'll get his bonus shots at the free throw line.
JD, that's the second. First lead.
Wala yung kanyang bonus shot. 63-57, balik sa 6 mga lamang ng Letran, at natawagan ng foul number 27, and that's Hugo.
Number 27.
7:49 natitirang oras, 7 minutes 49 seconds, and bola ulit ng Lasal. Here comes Eason. Drives it in, jump shot, wala. And that's a traveling violation called by the ref. shout out to our 157 live viewers, or close to 160 now. At ayan, shout out kay partner Chok Husay. Siyempre, ang mahusay dyan sa Chuk Sports TV. Walang iba, partner Chok Husay. Good luck po mga kuyas, and go Letran, sabi ni Raver Rain. And shout out again to Cyrex Silorio, go Letran Squires. Alright. And again, nandito na tayo sa ating last and final quarter, and it's Eason for 3, wala. Nabitawan ang bola. At huling tumama kay Kines according to the rep. So bola ng Letran. Go Letran, sabi ni Kenny Ayonayon. And yes, Letran pa rin ang lamang. Letran pa rin ang lamang. 63-57. At natawagan muli ng traveling itong si Quijada. That's the second turnover para sa kanya, kanina siya rin yung natawagan ng traveling. And that is right in front of the referee. Kaya kitang-kita ni referee. 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Medyo dikit yung laban natin. Pilit na hinahabol ng Lasal itong ng Lasal itong Green Hills, pero pilit pa rin ang Lasal na or Letran na lumalayo. Talagang palitan ng puntos ito. Magkamali lang ng isang pagkakataon talagang makakadikit ang kalaban, or else makakalayo ng tuluyan yung lumalamang.
All players.
Go Jovel Baliling.
All players.
At mukhang may unsportsmanlike foul tayo doon na tinawag si Rep. All players, again, punta muna sa inyong mga
Unsportsmanlike foul on number 11.
bench. Sa inyong bench. Number 11, that's unsportsmanlike foul called by the rep 2.
3 minutes cool off.
Number 11, Padilla. Daniel Padilla. So, mukhang labas muna dito si Daniel Padilla for 3 minutes cool off. At itong technical free throw nga, first shot, basket by Kines. Second shot, wala. Jerry Baliling, and go Letran. And again, shout out sa ating 150 plus live viewers as of this moment, and we still have 5 more games, 5 scheduled games pa after this. And for those who just came in, just tuned in, this is the 5th game for today, 19 under division. At meron pang 5 na susunod na laro mamaya. Nonoy. Nabitawan ng bola. Out of bounds. Balik ang bola sa Letran. Quijada. Pass to Gasingan, to Hugo. Hugo to number 3 with a 3-point shot attempt. Wala. And a foul called by the ref. To number 3, that's Baguio.
Baguio, that's his first.
Go Gasingan, sabi ni Obar Gasingan bench. And here comes Eason. Naghahanap si Eason ng magandang play, pero na-steal ni Baguio. And that's a kickball violation. Sabi ni ref, no fouls. Balik ang bola sa Lasal. We have 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Go, Letran, go, Sean Antazo. Sean Antazo, sabi ni Jesse Antazo.
Number 23.
Tumuulan ng foul. Ayan, foul naman ngayon dito. Ang Letran de la Rama. At mukhang penalty na nga. It is penalty. Kines shooting for 2. First shot, basket. 63-59 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ng 4. 4 na lang ang Letran. Second shot, basket pa rin by Kines. And again, it's 100% at that free throw line itong si Kines. 2 out of 2. Tatlo na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Letran. Tatlo na lang ang lamang ng Letran at tatlong hinahabol ng Lasal. Quijada to Gasingan. Gasingan for 3, wala. Second opportunity para sa Letran. Once again, Gasingan. Nope. Still by Ison. And that's a holding foul. According to the referee, to number 77, Gasingan. Third personal foul. And again, it's a penalty for Letran. Ison on his bonus shots. First attempt, basket. Ayan, go, go, go. Arwin Isaile Alforque. Sabi ni Arnufa Alforque. Alright, go, go, loads. Adrian Quinones, kayang-kaya yan. Sabi ni Mama Eileen Zapata. At ayan, isa na lang ang lamang. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Letran. We have 63-62, 3-3-3, 3 minutes 33 seconds remaining time at matindi ang depensa ngayon ng pinapakita ng Letran. Quijada to Pagio. Pagio to Quijada. Quijada, nagano na mapapasaan. Pagio, 10 seconds to shoot. Balik kay Quijada. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Quijada, basket. At libreng-libre si Hison with that easy layup. At walang nakakita kay Hison doon, no? He's been all alone doon sa kanilang court. Reyes to Quijada. 2 minutes and 43 seconds remaining time. To Gasingan. Nice pass to Reyes. And a basket by Reyes. Here comes Kines. To Ison for 3. Bang! Deadlock at 67. Deadlock at 67. Pagio. A blocking foul called by the ref to number 8. Ison. At wala pa sa penalty itong Lasal. Second personal foul pa lamang ito ni Ison. Ganun din ang team second personal foul. And we are now deadlock at 67. And timeout called by Lasal Green Hills. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League. Back to the ball game. We only have 2 minutes and 7 seconds time remaining. At ngayon nga ay tabla na. Deadlock at 67. Ball possession ng Letran and it's Manalili. Entry pass to Silorio. Pero nilabas muna kay Diamante. He drives rin. Wala. Kanya pa rin ang rebound. Another drive for Diamante. And he gets that shot with a foul.
Foul number 0, foul Nonoy, that's his second 13 foul.
Nakakuha nga ng foul kay Nonoy itong si Diamante at Dalawa ulit ang lamang dito ng Letran at may bonus pang isa itong si Diamante. Nice cut, Dan. According to Kenny Anoayon, go my son Jovel Baliling, sabi ni Jerry Baliling. At tatlo na ulit ang lamang dito ng Letran. And we now have less than 2 minutes on this last and final quarter, and that reminder is of course brought to us by Procel Pharma Incorporated, Selvon CSR, Activa Gold Vitamins and Minerals, Spalding Made for the Game, and PLF Wood Veneers. 5 seconds to shoot. And it's a turnover for Letran, pero nabawi din agad ni Gasingan. Balik sa kanila ang bola, 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. Penalty na dito ang Letran, pero ang Lasal wala pa. 5 seconds to shoot. And that is going to be an easy shot by Diamante, or Manalili rather. At balik ulit sa 5 ang kalamangan dito. At tumawag naman ngayon ng timeout ang Lasal. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League. Back to the ball game after the timeout. 1 minute and 3 seconds na lang natitirang oras at bumalik pa sa 5. Yung lamang ulit dito ng Letran. And now it's Lasal's ball. Ison with that turnaround shot, a foul, and accounted by James Ison. At ito, bonus shot pa para sa kanya. Tatlo ulit ang lamang ng Letran. Bonus shot for Ison. Wala. 50 seconds. Time remaining. Celorio. Nice pass to Diamante. Wala. Pero may foul.
Foul number 8. James Ison. That's his third.
That's the third personal foul of Ison and the 4th team foul. Diamante, first shot, basket. Second shot by Diamante, basket. That's 2 out of 2 for Diamante. (74-69), a 5-point lead by Letran. At ito, balik sa Lasal ang bola, and here comes James Ison for that 3-point shot. Wala. Goalless for the rebound. Last 30 seconds. 15-second shot clock. Manalili against Podador. 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Manalili with that no-look pass to Reyes. At ayun nga yung sinasabi natin, mga pasahan na biglaan na lang, ano? Very good play by this team, itong Letran. And again, timeout ulit ang itinawag. Dito magbabalik po ang United Basketball League. Back to the ball game. 14.9 seconds remaining time. Last and final quarter. 76-69 in favor of Letran.
Shot up is up.
10 seconds remaining. Here comes Ison. 3-point shot by Kines. Wala. And I believe this is going to be the end of this game. 76-69, our final score. And congratulations to Team Letran.
Nasa 69. Our best player on this game is number 24.
Our best player for this game, none other than number 24, George Diamante. And this player of the game is brought to us by Procel Pharma Incorporated, Selvon CSR, Activa Gold Vitamins and Minerals, Spalding Mate for the game, VLF Wood Veneers. And that's the end of the game. We will be right back para sa ating mga susunod na laban. Parada kasi kami.
Parada na. Election.
Natakbo ka ba? Magawad ako ngayon, tapos natakbo ulit. Sabi ko, hindi kumana yung buko. Sir, okay na una lang. Sige. Thank you, Sir. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Sir Brian.
Saan ka tatakbo?
Sa Tondo. Nakaupo ako ngayon. Ano lang, lalaban lang ulit. Thank you, Sir.
Ingat ha. Cellphone. Bro, automatic on na to, no? Pre? Bro, automatic on na to, no?